Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying a few essentials. Make sure your WeChat ID, phone number, or email is linked so people can find you. Once done, enable Contacts Sync and grant permission to import your phone list. This increases suggested matches automatically. Now open Contacts, tap New Friends, and choose a method. Search by WeChat ID, phone, or QR. Do this immediately to generate a first batch of potential connections, because quick action gets you higher relevance in friend suggestions. Next, expand beyond direct search by using discovery tools. Search by WeChat ID or phone when you have specifics, and scan QR codes during events. QR is fastest for in-person ads. For broader reach, use people nearby and Shake to find local users, and look through Moments search or public account comments to spot active profiles. Join relevant groups and participate. Group chats often produce introductions. Make sure to personalize each ad request so people know why you want to connect. Finally, after someone accepts, send a short, friendly intro describing how you know them or why you connected. This boosts engagement. If your searches return few results, inspect privacy settings. People nearby and Moments can be disabled, so enable them to increase visibility. If ads fail, check whether you're blocked or your account has restrictions. Remove the block or wait and retry after reconnecting to Wi-Fi or updating the app. If problems persist, restart the app and reattempt the specific ad method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.